This is your boy DJIAMIX'S, original DJ from Tampa Bay. Like I said, everywhere I go, I'm gonna let you guys know. Right now, I'm gonna go. Where's that say? Strike City Bowling. So there you go. That's us. DJIAMIX'S. Say next one, bye bye la. All right. So while I'm working, going inside, just park. Let me do that 360. You guys like that 360, but remember, we're not at the beach at Clearwater. So yes, but we're gonna go in, so you guys can check it out. All right, there you go. Just got my shoes, ready to roll.
All right, ready? Watch me.
Stop recording.
I like that. I like when my first one don't hit. I like it. Wonderful. That's what we do, right? All right, ready? Watch me. Still going. Keep recording. Yeah. All right, where's the ball? Hold on. Waiting for it. There you go. This is me right here. There you go.
There you go. I'm getting good at this. Yes, bowling. Next one, bye bye la. Yeah.
You know you're not gonna get that last one. Yeah. Yeah. That one sucked. That was worse than me falling.
Don't worry, I got this.
That was worse than me falling. Wow.
I'm waiting for my
Yes.
I'm waiting on my number 12. All right, here you go. It's back. All right. Now, still going. All right. There you go.
You still at 22. You got it now. No, we're not ready.
Game over. I'm at what? 90. There you go. I'm the winner. The winner right here.
This is the food. Ready? Look at that. We having fun, gonna eat. This is the food right here. Hey. Again, that's just part of the fun, Sorry, we here. That 360 on the food. Push out the food, everything, ready to go before we eat. Look at this, looks good. That's what you do. DJIAMIX'S, original DJI.